Hello guys, my name is Vijay and in this video I'm going to share few of the Linux command that we can use if we are working with Linux operating system. So first command that I want to show you is a cd command. So cd is used to change the directory. So let me first check what all folders I have. So I will be discussing this ls command as well. So as you can see that I have all these folders. Suppose if I want to go into desktop, then I will do cd and desktop, means I want to move to the desktop directory. So if we give cd space desktop and hit enter, now we are inside the desktop directory. And if we give pwd, then you can see that we are inside the desktop directory. So pwd stands for present working directory, so it shows you in which directory you are currently in. And now let's suppose if I want to go one directory above this desktop directory, then we can give cd dot dot. So dot dot means we want to go one directory up from the desktop directory. So if we give cd dot dot and if we check pwd, then you can see that we are under user Vijay. And suppose if I want to move back to the previous directory where I was in, then we will give cd space hyphen, so it will again take you to the desktop directory. So next command that I'm going to discuss is ls command. So ls command is used to list down the files and folder inside a directory. So currently I'm inside my files folder in my desktop, and let's run the ls command. So if we simply run the ls command, then we can see what all files and folders we have inside the files directory. So these are the folders and files I have currently, and we can give certain variation to the ls command. So if we give ls-l, so what it will show you some more information about your file and folders. So we can see some permission information here. Then we have kind of symbolic or hard link, then what group this file, what user this file belongs to, what group it belongs to, and then we have the size information and when this file was created or modified. And you can see that now with hyphen l, the files are listing in form of alphabetical order, and if we want to reverse this order, then we have to give ls hyphen lr. So r means we want to reverse this order. So if we hit enter, then you can see that the word count file is coming at the top, and we can list down the file based on the timing as well. Suppose if I want to list which file is recently modified, so what I will give ls hyphen lt. So you can see that the file which was modified on 22nd of August, it is coming at the top, and the below files, these are modified a long back. So yeah, that's all about ls command. Next command is mkdir. So mkdir is used to create a directory. So suppose if I want to create a directory with dir1 name, so I will simply write mkdir space dir1, and if I hit enter and if I give ls command, then we can see that the folder is created. And if I want to create a nested directory, suppose I want to create dir2 and inside dir2 I want to create dir3, then how I am going to do that? So if I give dir2 slash dir3 and if I hit enter, then it will give you error. So with mkdir only we cannot create a nested directory, so we have to pass one more parameter, that is hyphen p. So if I hit enter and if I check, you can see that dir2 directory has been created. If I go inside dir2 and give ls there, then we can see dir3 as well. So yeah, that's all about mkdir command. So next command we are going to see is rm command. So rm command is used to remove the file and folders. So let me create one sample file in my current working directory and give it a name sample.txt. So touch command is used to create a like empty file. So if I give ls, so we can see that sample file is here, and if I give rm and this file name, then we can remove this file. So if I again give ls, so you can see that file has been deleted. And let me create one directory with dir 1. Let me clear my terminal as well. So this is my directory. So if we want to delete this directory with rm command, then it will not delete it, because since it is a directory, so we need to give, or we need to pass one more parameter here. So in order to remove the directory, we have to give -r as well in order to delete the directory. So if it is a file, then simply we can use our rm command, but if it is a directory, we have to pass -r. So if I hit enter and if I see it, so directory is deleted now. So yeah, that's all about rm command. So next command is cat command. So cat command is used to show the content of a file, and we can create a brand new file as well with some content. So let me create one file and let me put out some content here. So let me simply give some dummy data, and let me save this file, and let me run cat command against this file. So cat space the file name, and if we hit enter, then we can see the content of a file. Okay, and suppose if I want to create some file just from my terminal and I want to put some content there, so we have to give cat, then angle bracket, and let me give this file a name, abc.txt. So it will open up a terminal and we can type anything from here. So suppose if I'm giving this some dummy data, and so we can put all the information and we can give enter as well. And if I want to close this file, then I need to give control Z. So till here all the contents have been saved. So let me check that, cat space abc.txt. So you can see that whatever I had typed from my terminal have been saved in the file. So yeah, that's all for the cat commands. So next command is grep command. So grep command is used to search a particular text inside a file. So let me create one file and put some content there. Let me write some text in this file, some any text like so suppose I have put this text here, and let me save this file and close it. So these are the content of my file, and let me search a particular word like live. So how can I do that? I need to write grep live and the file name. So you can see in which line this live word appears, it show you those lines. And if I want to suppose search r, then grep r and the file name, so it will show you that particular line. Yeah, so that's all for grep command. So next command is find command. So find command is used to find any files inside your file system. So let's suppose I want to find a file with name sample.txt. So how can I find that one? So currently I'm in my desktop folder, and suppose I want to find a file with name sample.txt. So I need to run this command. So find is the command name itself, and to which directory you want to find this command. So dot means I want to find this particular file inside my current working directory. So there can be a folder inside your current working directory, so it will go inside all those folder and look for this particular file. And hyphen name means we want to specify the name of the directory that we have given here, sorry, name of the file that we have given here. So let's run this one. So we can see that this sample file we have in our files folder and in demo repo folder. So yeah, so this is one of the very good command that we can use if we want to look for any file with some name in the file system. So next command is top command. So top command is used to check what all applications or processes are running inside your operating system. So if I simply run top, So we can see that all these processes are running inside my this Linux box, and we can see the CPU utilization, and we can see how much memory it is consuming. So suppose at certain times we can see that some of the processes, they are taking so much of CPU and memory. So we can simply run the stop command, and we can come here and check which all processes are eating up that much amount of CPU and RAM. So this is one of the handy commands we can use if you find some lag in your Linux box. Yeah, so these were the few of the commands that I wanted to share with you. So these you can use if you're working with the Linux operating system. So like this video, and if you found this interesting, share with your friends and colleagues, and do subscribe my channel for more videos. Yeah, thank you guys.